today I'm alone, and the plan is pretty simple. I'm gonna change this ugly ass wheel, and I'm gonna try to fix the lights here, because they don't work. So let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is to actually disconnect the battery, because I don't want the airbag exploding on me. Yeah. With the battery disconnected, you might want to do two things. The first one is to turn on your lights, and the second one is to press the brake, so that that was the clutch, so that the car will discharge the reserves. Okay, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes for the battery to drain out. It should take around an hour, but I don't think I'm gonna wait as long. And I'm gonna show you what I bought today. So most of the stuff is actually from Temu. First of all, this is not from Temu. We have this tape. It's for like rugs, cause my you know, like my car carpets, they're moving a lot, so I'm gonna glue them up a bit. Next thing we got is the light bulbs for the dashboard, and some more, so I'm gonna change them. Next thing we got some fun sticker. I took it for free delivery. Now we have a wheel hub, which we need. This isn't actually from Temu, it's from Fatman's Garage. It's like Polish websites, it's grubygarage.pl, but here it says mtuning.pl, so I think they just drop shipped this. So what we have here is steering wheel. Damn. The only part I don't like is this, but I'm not gonna see it anyway. We got it. So as you can see, these are my floor mats. They are not really fit to this car. They are also from Temu. So I love you, Temu, please sponsor us. And I'm gonna stick some tape in here and in here and see if it holds on. Okay, this is tape SPEC, so of course this is working. It's not moving as much. I'm pulling it pretty hard, so that's fixed. I'm just gonna do the other side, and then we'll get right to the dashboard. Okay, so for now the floor mats are done. I'm gonna start removing the gauges. There are 2 screws here, and then I'm gonna freestyle the shit out of it. I hope it's the bulbs and not some wires. So I removed this, and there's just a few more screws there. I'm just gonna unscrew them, and that should be it, I think. And there we go. Here we have it. There's the back of it. I think this is the bulb that's not working, and the upper ones, which I don't know yet how to access, but I will soon. I will just, oh, I think they're right here. So I'm just gonna replace them, and we will see if she works. Okay, so I think my gauges are just fried. Like, this one should be working. I don't know why it's not, but this, yeah, some of them are like this. I've changed the bulbs just to check, but I don't have any high hopes. I think I just need to buy new gauges. Just for being a pussy about dealing with a fucking bomb, I prefer not to get in front of the airbag while I unscrew it. You just remove these screws, one here, one on the other side, and you're good to go. You can take it out and unplug the cables. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I think this motherfucker just hijacked my car. And I'm gonna tell you, I ain't gonna fight him. This car is a piece of shit anyway, so the challenge is yours, my man. This guy doesn't really speak that much, does he? The bump has been disconnected. Now I gotta unbolt this bolt a little and pry out the steering wheel. So see you in a while. Oh, by the way, I'm back. I killed the previous channel owner. So the wheel is practically already out. It came out pretty easily. So I don't know if it's good or concerning, but you just unscrew this bolt. Which is funny, because in my Toyota it was a nut. Here it's a bolt. But I guess these are the changes. Then take it out. Wait a second. There you are. This shit is heavy compared to this one. I'm just gonna put it back. And now we take this off. We are about half an hour later. I've been wanting to save the horn, and I've been fighting the clock spring for half an hour because it was clipped everywhere, and I decided fuck the horn. I took the pliers and I just fucking broke it. I don't care. I'm not gonna have this installed anyway. I'm saving it, so I still have all the cables that I need, but I'm not gonna fuck with it today. I will wait for Vuya and maybe we'll do something about it, but I can finally start installing the hub. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's been quite some time. I'm mostly done. Here's the fat bitch. It's very heavy now that I lift it up. Here's the clock spring, and I'm tidying the place up. I'm gonna tell you all that I did. Here's how it looks. I'd say it looks fucking fire. So, the sticker is in. The battery is not yet plugged in, so I don't know if the lights work, but I'm not really optimistic about them. The steering wheel is already here. This doesn't work. I've tightened up the screws in a cross pattern, and yeah, the place is getting cleaned up, so I'm gonna plug in the battery and we'll see. Okay, so this is it. As I expected, the lights are not working. I don't think I'm gonna bother with them. I mean, this car goes to scraps in January anyway. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm really fucking satisfied with it, but the wheel is so small that it will get some time to get used to, you know. But I'm gonna give it a drive right now. I'm gonna drive home, and that's gonna be it for today. A short episode, because I'm all alone today, and this is all I had to do, and I accomplished what I wanted, you know. The carpets are not moving, the steering wheel is looking fucking awesome, and I have the flames. So yeah, it's a bummer about the lights. I might put some LEDs behind the gauges. That might fix it, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. We will see about that. So yeah, see you next time, guys. I'm just quickly recording this from my phone because it's insane how different it feels. It feels so good. The only thing that I will need to adjust to is how far away the blinker is right now. But wheel this small and this much forward, because of its shape, it feels unreal. Fuck you, bitch.